This will be our second warm start and mixed driving video of the 1991 Alfa Romeo Spider Veloce. Going to go through some of the interior features on the car. So we'll go ahead and fire her up. So one of the subtleties about these series cars is that they have two sets of fans. So we have our main fan for the heat, which is a 2-speed low-high. And then we have our 3-speed AC fan. And then we have the level of coolness, more so, less so. Got our clock keeping great time as it is coming up to noon. And we have our stereo with the different functions. You see our power antenna, which works beautifully. We have our turn signals. There's the left, there's the right, headlights, high beam, our mirrors, windows, pretty well fully functional. So we're going to go ahead and maybe get up to some higher speeds on this drive. Hazards. And that lovely, charming horn. Notice even over choppy road, she's very well composed. Notice no shudder, no shimmy with the brakes, lots of pad life. Notice we do have the top down, as we did in the previous video. Great cabin atmosphere, not too loud. Lets you hear all the great sounds of the Roadster experience. Even 3-2 downshift is butter smooth. Starting from second, lots of power. Big bump there. She took it like a champ.